Ask yourself, how would your team benefit from consistently faster fabrication time on control panels? How much money would you save if your high-skilled workers could focus their time and energy on wiring and installation rather than cutting and drilling? Your labor and your time are two of your company's most valuable assets. What if you could increase the value of both and save costs at the same time? Schaedler Yesco has a solution that will allow you and your team to increase productivity, reduce your costs, and have greater speed to market. Consider the length of time it takes to build a control panel or enclosure and drill a back panel. Imagine the potential miscuts and errors, the problem of metal shavings compromising your final installation. Think about the highly skilled panel builder who is wasting precious labor hours plotting and cutting, making not quite exact cuts that result in less than perfect finishes. Now imagine a perfectly punched panel or precisely cut box arriving at your door, immediately ready for wiring. In the time it would take to cut one box, your team could be well on their way with wiring without worrying about quality or safety. There'd be no concern about finishing this job on time and beginning the next job. Schaedler Yesco understands the challenges of your day-to-day operations, and we want to help. With our ModCenter, we can customize your enclosures and back panels to any specification you provide, saving you time and money while improving the quality of your work. With the hassle of cutting boxes manually removed from your installation equation, you can improve efficiency and productivity, helping you grow your business. Schaedler Yesco has the right people working in the right positions with the right experience, helping you become more competitive and fostering your growth. If you'd like to explore how our ModCenter and custom panels and boxes can increase your profitability, we'd love to make that discovery with you.